We'll guide you through how to analyze Asana earnings using the latest methods on their platform. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Asana website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Dashboard section where you'll find the Reports tab. Click on it to access various reporting options. You'll want to select the Financial Reports option to hone in on earnings specifically. Here, you can find detailed revenue summaries and expense breakdowns. Look for the quarterly and annual earnings reports to get a comprehensive view. You can see trends over time by comparing different quarters or years. Asana provides visual graphs and charts that make it easy to spot patterns or areas of concern. Pay attention to key metrics like net income and operating expenses. These will give you a good indication of the company's financial health. You can also customize reports by selecting specific timeframes or project categories. This can help you focus on the areas most relevant to your interests. Don't forget to download the reports for offline analysis if needed. Asana also offers some predictive analytics features. These can give you a forecast based on current and past data. Utilize these tools to plan strategically for future actions or investments. Remember to check the footnotes and additional disclosures. These can provide context or explanations for any anomalies in the data. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to perform a thorough analysis of Asana's earnings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.